Hello all my learners and beginners friends. Today I'm super duper excited to welcome you all on my channel SapnaRaghuvansi, and I hope guys that you also want to know that why I'm so much excited today, what is the reason behind my excitement today. So yes guys, now I'm gonna spill the beans in front of you, and I hope that you might have noticed something, you might have guessed something, that yes guys, what exactly I wanna share with you, and I'm gonna share with you. So today guys, after a long time, finally I have made up my mind to add some flavor in my English to make it tastier. So my dear friend, flavor in the sense to add some new words, some idioms in my English, and tastier in the sense to make it more impressive. Yes guys, you have heard absolutely correct. So let's start learning some idioms and phrases, and let's add some flavor in English. Okay, so I hope guys that you are also very excited to learn some idioms with me. I'm gonna start learning idiom and also making you learn idiom from zero to hero, means we can say from easy to hard. Okay, so first is the easiest idiom, we can say under the weather, and you must have heard this idiom from many more English speaker all the time. So first is under the weather. It means feeling unwell. So you can use in a sentence like I am feeling under the weather nowadays. Okay, and second one is piece of cake, and mostly it is being used by many more English speaker, by many more YouTuber, and it means something very easy, like learning English is just a piece of cake for everyone. Okay, and third one is rocket science, and rocket science means just opposite of piece of cake. Rocket science, something that is very hard. So earlier I was thinking that learning English just a rocket science for me, and same uh, mm, cup of tea means also something that's in hard. So we can say there are still many learners and beginners who are thinking that learning English is not their cup of tea. Like this we can use in a sentence. And next one is means five is yes, I have also used this when I started my video. Okay, so that is spill the beans. Spill the beans means reveal any secret, reveal the secret. So you can say I wanted to give a birthday surprise to my friend, but my husband spilled the bean. Okay, you can use like you can use also he spilled the bean about his channel. Okay, and sixth one is under your nose. Under your nose means something that is in front of your eyes but unnoticed. Just suppose you are searching your keys or anything you are searching, and it is just in front of your eyes, but you are not noticing. So you can say in the sense your keys are under your nose. Okay, like your keys are in front of you but you are not noticing, unnoticed. And seven one is like break the ice. Break the ice means to make someone feel comfortable in any awkward situation. Just suppose guys, if I'm going to talk to any beginner or learner, so at that moment he or she is feeling so much awkward or embarrassed, so I can ask some question related to his village, to his friends, and by doing this I can say I broke the ice. And so you can also use in this type of circumstances, like when there are lots of people and there are some type of situation when everyone is feeling embarrassed, awkward, shy. So at that moment you just speak something suddenly, and you can say like okay, now I'm gonna break the ice. Okay, you can use this like. And another is burn midnight oil. So burn midnight oil means to stay awake late night and to do something, to work very hard for something. We can use in a sentence like you must burn midnight oil for your exam. And I can also say, just suppose there's my exam is around the corner, so I can use it. Oh my god, I have to burn a midnight oil for my exam to read more, like this you can use. And another is throw in the towel. So throw in the towel means to give up or to admit defeat. So you can also use this in sentence like after trying for 1 hour, after trying for 1 hour, finally he threw in the towel. So guys, look, I use threw here. Why? Just because I used this sentence in past tense. Okay, so you have to also pay attention on the form of verb whenever you are using your idioms in present. So you have to use present form like first form of verb, and whenever you are going to use it in past, so you are supposed to use second form like this. And whenever you are going to use in past perfect or present perfect, so you are supposed to use third form of verb like this. I hope that you know about it. So and like this. And another idiom is leave no stone unturned. It means that to do every possible thing to achieve something. Nowadays guys, look, I want to learn English, I want to be fluent English speaker, so I can use this idiom on myself like now I'm just making my mind that I will leave no stone unturned for learning English communication. So in Hindi it means कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना. So we can also use like इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए अब मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैंने अपना माइंड बना लिया है. So I will leave no stone unturned for learning English communication. And you know guys, I think I have explained 10 idioms, and I think it's enough for today. I can't share many more. And you know guys, still there's lots of idioms in my mind, and I have learned these idioms in my initial day. But there's a big problem with me, not big, there's this is the biggest problem with me, that I'm not able to incorporate all these things whatever I learned in my initial day. Lots of fancy words, lots of idiom phrases, but I'm not using in my conversation. I don't know why. I think just because of you guys. I think you are comfortable to, if you are beginner, so you must be very comfortable to understand my English, just because I'm always speaking simple English and I'm always using simple words. But little by little we should try to add some flavor in our English, and to make it tastier. Tastier means to make it sound confident like this. So I hope guys that you must have learned 10 idioms at least for today, and you will also use this in your English speaking. Okay, so let's say bye bye, take care. So my dear friends, keep shining, keep learning, and keep adding some flavor in your English too to make it tastier. So with this beautiful hope, bye bye, take care.